Hey YouTube, we have my Fusion480 here. It's the stretch kit. It's a 550. I'm gonna do a quick flight video. I did say I was gonna make some flight videos for all my helicopters, but I haven't had time, and I had to get a GoPro mount for my head. But here it goes. This one has 6250HX fly barless controller. It's got the I'm running a 6S 5000 milliamp smart pack from Spectrum. The stock servos that comes with the kit, and it's pretty much it. And I did upgrade the ESC to a 130 amp. The 100 amp ESC was causing a thermal shutdown. Comp is really nice. Oh, we have an issue. Remember to always land with hold, guys. It's much safer that way. I kind of screwed up my throttle curve. We want 100%. I do have an offset set to forward programming. That way I can still go based on 100% on my throttle curve. I have a -20 offset on idle up 2, flight mode 2. And that's something you can change in forward programming. That way your ESC doesn't output its maximum power, and you can give it some leg room, but you can still set the value to 100%. But really it's like at 80. That's what happens when you don't let it spool up. But Comp is awesome, guys. I lost complete sight of it, but because I have set my stability, my safe mode in idle up 1, I just hit it and I just lower the altitude and kind of relocate it. And that's because the sun is, kind of blinds me, so I'm not the best pilot, but I do with what I can. Man, the Fusion 550 stretch kit's a very good kit. I recommend more people get it. Oh, that sun's really getting in my face right now. But yeah, the 6250HX makes flying a lot easier. It makes learning so much easier. That's for sure. I mean, I've been in the hobby for about 12 years, or since I've been 12 years of age. Excuse my speech. It's just I'm so damn cold right now and I can't get my words out. I like to fly big air, and you can hear the tail. I can fix my PIDs a little better. I gotta tune that out. But then again, I did tune it in the summer. In summer, we're in winter right now, and your PIDs and your gyro is affected. So I'm just gonna leave it. Man, my fingers are frozen. I'm having a hard time controlling this thing right now. But here it is, guys. I'm trying to do my best. I'm posting more videos for you guys, but it does get difficult. Just remember that when you guys are gonna fly in a cold winter, the 6250 tends to act up when you don't let it acclimate to its new temperature. For example, if you're flying in a very cold winter and you do have safe and you have panic set up and you're flying in idle up 2 and you're flying pretty hard, if you switch back into stability mode or even activate panic, I found that on most of my models, when I fly in the winter, it screws up the what's considered level in the stability mode, so it'll just bank to one way and you're gonna hate that. So to prevent all that, just let the model sit out for a couple minutes, let the gyro equalize with the outside temperature, and then fly it afterwards. But you know, this is a great machine. I own my Saab 700 raw, my Tron 7.0, my Align DFCE, and I just pre-ordered that Align TB70. I know it's something you guys can argue as far as you know, design wise it looks like the Saab, but you know what, I don't care. It's a helicopter and I just fly everything. I like everything, but in all honesty, I think I prefer the fusion480 over all of them, just because it's designed, it's more simple, it's very cheap to fix. I kind of wish they offered a 700, but it is what it is. And this 550, you know, just flies the same, it feels the same, and it's very good for 3D. I mean, I can say this, I mean, yeah, I mean, if you guys don't like Spectrum components, well, hey, just go ahead and slap on your V-bar mic, whatever it is you guys are interested in and prefer. I mean, it's all about preference, guys. I can't tell you this is better than that. I mean, everyone feels different, everyone flies different. I'm not a hardcore 3D pilot, but I do fly a little better than what I just did. It's just I'm so damn cold and I don't normally fly in the winter. All I can say is that with this setup, I was able to excel in the hobby and progress much faster. That's due to stability. Now, most other flybarless control units nowadays do have stability modes, but with that said, you know, I was able to learn and progress. I'd say on a scale from 1 through 10, I was able to excel, you know, 8 out of 10 in just how much faster I was able to learn. So I kind of recommend you guys go this route because it's cheaper, and what I always say is, you know, Blade is a company and a brand that's, you know, within the US, and we should support them because there's not many brands for helicopters out here. Everything's overseas, coming from China, Taiwan, or whatever. And let's keep this hobby alive, guys. Don't bash on Blade or Horizon Hobby. I mean, that's all we got. That's really all we have. So anyways, that's the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And goodbye.